And they're on their way. Classy Pages draws for your lead. Janelle's episode. Moving up, Gobernadora sneaking in is Baling Ganda. Then followed by Real Excellent. Matini Idol is bringing up the rear. About to pass the last 900. Baling Ganda now takes command over Gobernadora. Janelle's episode is on the outside third. Then running in fourth, Classy Pages with a 5 lengths gap in fifth is Real Excellent, and Matini Idol is still running at the tail of the field. Janelle's episode takes the lead over Gobernadora. Classy Pages moving up on the outside third, and Baling Ganda, Real Excellent as they turn for home. Janelle's episode this time by about 2 lengths. Gobernadora is still in second. Classy Pages moving up by the rail and on the outside. Real Excellent. Janelle's episode followed by Gobernadora. Real Excellent moving up on the outside, and finally Janelle's episode, Gobernadora, Real Excellent, Matini Idol, Classy Pages, and Baling Ganda.